What if I told you you could use a program that would help you make incredible architecture, intuitive design, and pretty much become the maker of makers? Well, that's what SketchUp is. Hi, I'm Brandon Gibb, founder of MotionFORM. This is the complete guide to SketchUp, and I am making this course to help people who are either starting or wanting to get to the next level in their SketchUp understanding. I've been working with SketchUp and other 3D modeling, both in architecture firms with different innovative collaborative programs and 3D modelers for over 20 years. Pretty much, I've been doing anything and everything that you might have seen from SketchUp, and I'm here to show you how to do that from a professional's point of view. When you look at the program of SketchUp, when you open it, there's like so much that you want to do. You see things that are done out there, and as soon as you get started, you get to the point of like, how do I actually do this? I mean, even the SketchUp guides, which are really helpful, are only helpful to a certain point. So learning from a professional is where you can get like the ins and outs of how to really do things, and it teaches you a way of thinking. Why did I make this course? Because I both love to teach. I've made certification. I love people to develop. I like to see more beautiful architecture. So like when I give you secrets to do things that I do, I want you to go as far as possible. I've won competitions, I've won projects and working with firms, done incredible renderings, incredible models, and I feel that you should be able to do that as well. And so as you look at this course, let me tell you what you're going to get out of it. You're going to learn the fundamentals of SketchUp. You'll learn about all the basics of it, learn how to actually use particular methods and strategies as you use it to get the most out of it. And I'll help you figure out how to make a room, how to make a house. Do some parametric architecture, do furniture. Pretty much get you ready to do whatever you're trying to do with SketchUp. I go into tools like photo match. I go into geolocation. Pretty much looking at the full perspective of what you can do with SketchUp. In my course, in addition to the insider tips professional guide, I pretty much am putting some resources so you can take a look at the models that I've been modeling and also share what you've been doing as you're tested on the content. SketchUp is an incredible program, and if you want to become a great intermediate to expert follower and maker in SketchUp, then this is the course for you. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in my course.